Dear friends, in this episode we will learn about organic chemistry, and I think it's going to be very interesting episode, as in this episode we will cover so many topics about organic chemistry, like what is organic chemistry and characterization in organic chemistry, and classification of organic compounds, physical properties of organic compounds, nomenclature in organic chemistry, organic reactions, and what do organic chemists really do in real world, where is organic chemistry used, which industries hire you as an organic chemist. If you think to build your career as an organic chemist, then you really want or really interested to know where you get hired, in which field you get your job, and if you think to create your own empire as an organic chemist, where you get started your career. Okay, the now we will start our journey. Organic chemistry is the study of structure, properties, compositions, reactions, and preparations of carbon containing compounds. Most organic compounds contain carbon and hydrogen, but they may also include any number of other elements like nitrogen, oxygen, halogen, phosphorus, silicon, and sulfur. Originally limited to the study of organic compounds produced by living organisms, organic chemistry has been broadened to include human made substances like plastics. Now we will learn much more about organic chemistry, as organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry which involves the scientific study of structure, properties, reactions of organic species, organic compounds, and organic materials. Means matter have various forms found that contains carbon atoms. Study of structure of organic chemistry compounds include use of spectroscopy techniques like IR spectroscopy, microwave spectroscopy, NMR spectroscopy, mass spectroscopy, X-ray diffraction, electron diffraction, neutron diffraction, and other physical or chemical types of methods to examine chemical composition and chemical constituents of the organic chemistry compounds and materials to be analyzed. This is a simple explanation on organic chemistry by chemistrynotesinfo.com. Study of properties of organic compounds include study of both physical properties as well as chemical properties of organic compounds, which uses the similar methods and also methods to evaluate the chemical reactivity to understand behavior of organic matter or organic sample in its pure form, if when possible, otherwise in solution mixture forms. Study of chemistry of organic reactions include the searching their possibility through use in the preparation of whole molecule or compound like natural products, medicinal drugs, polymers, solvents, etc. by their chemical synthesis. Also focused on the study of reactivity of the individual organic molecules. We will learn about organic chemistry at chemistrynotesinfo.blogspot.com, and organic chemistry have much more use in life and in real world, as we see the maximum medicines in our real world available are the result of organic chemistry. In medicinal field, the API molecule, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient produced at API plants, are gone through several organic chemical reactions, and these reactions yield the last end product which we will use to make our drugs or medicine. Organic chemistry characterization. To identify purity of organic compounds, methods or techniques will use nowadays are chromatography like HPLC, high performance liquid chromatography, GC, gas chromatography, and spectroscopy like nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, microscope, mass spectrometry, crystallography, and old methods and techniques to identify purity of organic compounds are distillation, crystallization, and solvent extraction. Physical properties of organic compounds. Physical properties help in both qualitative and quantitative manner. Quantitative info includes melting point, boiling point, index of refraction. Qualitative info includes odor, solubility, consistency, and color. Nomenclature in organic chemistry. Organic compounds are generally named in two ways: traditional names and systematic names. Traditional names are parent names, like for vitamin B3, its traditional name is niacin. Systematic name are scientific name given by IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Nomenclature system, like for vitamin B3, its systematic name by IUPAC system is pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. Classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are classified on the basis of functional groups: aliphatic compounds, aromatic compounds, heterocyclic compounds, polymers, biomolecules, etc. Organic reactions. Organic reactions are those chemical reactions which involve organic compounds. For example, glucose plus fructose gives sucrose. This is an example of an organic reactions. Now our question is, what do organic chemists do? Means the organic chemist, what he will do in lab or in real world. Organic chemistry is a highly creative science that involves chemists to create and explore molecule and compounds. Organic chemists spends much of their time developing new compounds and finding better ways of synthesizing existing ones. Where is organic chemistry used? Organic compounds are all around us. Many modern materials are at least partially composed of organic compounds. They are central to economic growth and are foundational to the field of biochemistry, biotechnology, and medicine. Example of where you can find organic compounds include agricultural coatings, cosmetics, detergents, dyestuffs, food, fuel, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, plastics, and rubber. Which industries hire organic chemists? If you think to build your career as an organic chemist, then you should really know where you get hired. So you can hire in the field of biotechnology. Virtually all biotechnology, biotech products are the result of organic chemistry. Biotech involves using living organisms and bioprocess to create or modify products for a specific use. For example, a biotech company might produce seeds for crops that are disease resistant or plants that are drought resistant. Common employment areas in biotechnology includes healthcare, crop production and agriculture, non-food use of crops, consumer products, biodegradable plastics, vegetable oils, environmental sector, biofuels. Consumer products. Most consumer products we use involve organic chemistry. Take the cosmetics industry as an example. Organic chemistry examines how the skin responds to metabolic and environmental factors, and chemists formulate products accordingly. Other example of everyday products that involve organic chemistry include soaps, plastic goods, perfumes, coal, and food additives. Organic industrial chemistry. Crucial to modern world economy, organic industrial chemistry focus on converting raw materials, example oil, natural gas, air, water, metals and minerals, into consumer and industrial products. Today, industrial chemistry is based mainly on petroleum and natural gas because these are finite raw materials. A lot of industry focus is on learning how to convert renewable resources, example plants, into industrial organic chemicals. Major organic industrial chemistry sectors include rubber and plastic products, textile and apparels, petroleum refining, pulp and paper, primary metals. Petroleum. The largest volume petroleum products are fuel oil and gasoline. Petroleum is also the raw material for many chemical products. Example pharmaceuticals, solvents, fertilizers, pesticides and plastics. The petroleum industry is usually divided into three major components: upstream, exploration and production; midstream, transportation; downstream, refining crude oil, processing and purifying natural gas, creating petrochemicals. Pharmaceutical. Pharmaceutical industry involves development, production and markets of drug used as medication for humans and animals. Some pharmaceutical companies deals in brand name and has a trade name and can be produced and sold only by company holding the patent, or generic chemical equivalent low cost version of brand name drug, medication and medicinal devices, agents that act as on diseases without chemical interaction within the body. Pharmaceutical brand name and generic and medical devices are subjected to many country specific laws and regulations regarding patenting, testing, safety assurance, efficacy, monitoring, marketing, etc. Government. Federal offices, example Food and Drug Administration, Patent and Trademark offices, as well as state and local government hire organic chemists in the field of specialization noted above. So these government officers visits the pharma companies, chemical companies, petrochemical companies, consumer products company, biological companies to see that these industries working well or not well. And so in this episode we will learn much more about organic chemistry, and you can read more about organic chemistry on our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Thank you. See you soon in our upcoming episodes.